Imagine waking up in the mountains, opening the sliding door, and seeing clouds below you while sitting inside a vehicle that feels more like a luxury apartment than a van. That is exactly the feeling the all-new 2026 JDM Toyota HiAce camper delivers. And honestly, it's on a completely different level. Toyota has taken Japan's legendary HiAce and transformed it into a dream machine for van life lovers, campers, and travel enthusiasts who want comfort, reliability, and style all in one package. From the outside, the 2026 JDM HiAce camper already looks modern and premium. The sharp LED headlights, refreshed front grille, and aerodynamic body give it a futuristic yet tough Japanese design. It doesn't scream old-school fan anymore. Instead, it looks clean, confident, and purpose-built. The high roof design is not just for looks. It allows you to stand comfortably inside, which is a massive win for long trips and full-time van life. Toyota clearly understood what campers actually want. But the real shock begins the moment you step inside. This is where the HiAce camper completely changes the game. The interior feels unbelievably spacious, smartly designed, and extremely luxurious for a vehicle of this size. Soft touch materials, premium upholstery, and warm lighting instantly give you a cozy, home-like vibe. It feels less like a camper and more like a modern Japanese studio apartment on wheels. The seating area is designed for comfort and flexibility. During the day, you have a relaxing lounge setup where you can sit, work, eat, or just enjoy the view. At night, the seats transform smoothly into a comfortable bed that can easily fit adults without feeling cramped. Toyota has clearly focused on practical luxury, not just flashy features. The kitchen setup is another highlight that will blow your mind. You get a compact but fully functional kitchenette with a sink, water storage, induction or gas stove, and smart cabinets that make perfect use of every inch of space. Everything feels thoughtfully placed. Cooking on the road no longer feels like a compromise. It feels natural and enjoyable. Some variants even include a small refrigerator, making long trips much more convenient. Storage is where Japanese engineering truly shines. Hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, underseat storage, and wall-mounted solutions make sure nothing goes to waste. You can carry clothes, camping gear, electronics, and even sports equipment without the van ever feeling messy or crowded. It's clear that this camper was designed by people who understand real-world travel needs. Technology in the 2026 JDM Toyota HiAce camper is another major upgrade. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle controls. Digital displays keep you informed about power usage, water levels, and battery status, which is extremely useful for off-grid adventures. Multiple USB ports, charging points, and optional solar panel support mean your devices will never run out of power. When it comes to driving, the HiAce camper stays true to Toyota's legendary reputation. The refined engine options offer a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Whether it's a diesel or hybrid setup, depending on the market, the ride feels smooth, stable, and surprisingly easy to handle for a camper van. Long highway drives feel relaxed, and city driving is far less stressful than you would expect. Safety has also been taken seriously. Advanced driver assistance systems like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and multiple airbags make this camper not only comfortable, but also extremely safe. Toyota clearly wants this van to be suitable for families, solo travelers, and even first-time van life explorers. What truly makes the 2026 JDM Toyota HiAce camper special is its versatility. It's not just for hardcore campers. It's perfect for weekend getaways, long road trips, digital nomads, and even people who want a stylish mobile office or studio. You can park it in the city, drive it across the country, or take it deep into nature without feeling out of place. In Japan, the HiAce has always been known for its durability and reliability, and this camper version continues that legacy. Low maintenance, strong resale value, and Toyota's trusted build quality make it a smart investment, not just a lifestyle choice. This is the kind of vehicle you can rely on for years without constant headaches. Honestly, the 2026 JDM Toyota HiAce camper feels like Toyota looked at the global van life trend and decided to dominate it quietly but confidently. It doesn't try too hard, yet it delivers exactly what people want: comfort, efficiency, smart design, and unmatched reliability. If you've ever dreamed of traveling freely without giving up luxury, this camper might just be your ultimate answer. The 2026 JDM Toyota HiAce camper is not just a van, it's a lifestyle upgrade, a home on wheels, and proof that van life can truly be on another level.